Okay, so I think after a couple of rounds, you know the rule of the game, right? But do you want me to repeat for you one more time?
No.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready to win the competition?
Yep.
All right. So name 3 countries that starts with the letter A.
Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria.
Very good. Point 2. And as I said, you have to raise up your hand, my dear. All right. Name 3 animals that starts with the letter D.
They are dog.
Fast. Otherwise, you're gonna give half points.
They are dog.
Time's up. But no worries, you're getting half points, right? So you're getting 1 in this round. So thank you. That was the another wonderful session where Poro and Aris were standing against one another. Let's see in our upcoming sessions. Goodbye.